I had an idea, a small one, but I didn't know where to begin. The product was ready, but something was missing. I needed some assistance, but didn't know who to turn to. Then I found the Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge. Launched in 2019 by the Government of Meghalaya, CMECC is more than just a competition. It's a launchpad for Meghalaya's most promising entrepreneurs. Each year, 150 entrepreneurs are chosen to pitch their ideas. Only 75 are selected to enter a 9-month journey of growth and transformation. In the Prime Incubation Program, they gain mentorship, national visibility and access to funding, business tools, boot camps, co-working spaces and market access. To support their entrepreneurial journey, the program also provides financial assistance through business grants that help entrepreneurs grow and scale their ventures. The top 35 startups receive Rs 2 lakh and the remaining 40 startups receive Rs 1 lakh in funding. With free co-working spaces, startup tools, branding support and legal services, CMECC helps you focus on what matters most, building.
Prime helped us believe in our ideas.
Only we made it click.
CMECC has incubated many entrepreneurs from all 12 districts, creating thousands of jobs and impacting lives. You have the idea, we have the support.
I'm thankful to Prime for the opportunity to receive help and mentorship. So join Prime today for a better tomorrow.
MLA ke Jowai constituency uba wailat miki Shna hakasin balang jong katayo ulalom ya ke jialang bat ke office Jowai Municipal Board JMB dak je thmu banyale ban Pynbha ya ke Madan Jrisaleiñ ha Jowai West Giant Hills District.
Hakani ke jialang le don lang kirang ba na kur chalam wahe chnong ka chutwaku kinohikai na ka Government Boys Higher Secondary School ke officer na gibor ne district of West Giant Hills pa na katna PWD hakabakle tai sani ke jingnon kam mat Pynbha ke ne ka Madan bat kila letru ban Jurip ya ke jingnong jingman jong ne ka Madan uba wailat miki shla ulong bakne ka Madan ke de ka bakongsan bha khamtam habala penlong ya ke jingrake ya ke senior republic ne ke senior la luot hakane ka Madan bakaderu ka Madan ka bron hapdeng jongsor Jowai komta kalong ka bakongsan bha ban Shna Pynbha bat itnat ekani ka Madan na ka benta ka bit ka biang jogin ng ilakai bat kipat ba bat kumjo ru ban Shna Pynbha de ka baker ya ki jaka syong ban laj na uslap ba ka jingshit kar ang jong kasngi
for the development and the beautification of this very important and historic ground of Jowai, that is this Jrisaleiñ playground. So today we have here today, since we this ground there are many stakeholders who are looking after this ground. So I have called them today, that is from the Government Boys Higher Secondary School, the Kurchalam clan, and then the Dorbar Shnong of Chutwaku, and along with them from the district administration and from PWD. So we have sat and we have discussed that it is high time that we should take a step to beautify this very important ground, because every year, especially the national importance day celebration is being held here, that is Independence Day and Republic Day and many other more. So that's why it is high time, and then I'm so happy to inform that all of them were of the same opinion that we should try to do something to beautify this place.